Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's a WIP Wednesday on a Thursday. I hope you all are having a great week. I apologize for not posting my WIP Wednesday on Wednesday yesterday because Nate has actually been updating my computer and I'm having a little bit of technical difficulties, and when we have new things and new programs and everything, he's just trying to make everything run more efficiently. But with new changes, there are some difficulties in the technicality of everything. So I am uploading my video today. So I actually recorded one, but it was for yesterday. So I just decided to re-record everything and say hi to everybody today on Thursday. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you had a wonderful WIP Wednesday. We are just working a lot, actually. So I posted a video or a photo. I posted a photo earlier this week on a new project that I'm working on, and we filmed the tutorial yesterday of this beautiful scarf. I'll just show you a sneak peek of it. This beautiful scarf using this diamondy trellis type of stitch. It is so beautiful, and it's a men's piece. Well, kind of universal, men or women can wear it, but you'll see the photos of Nate wearing this very soon, and I'll have this project out hopefully by this weekend. So I'm really excited about that project. It's a big blanket scarf. It's so fabulous. So that's on my hook. Actually just finished off my hook. And next I'm going to be working on more of our Halloween costumes because my yarn came in that I ordered. I ordered a ton of fur because we're going to be using a lot of fur in this project. So I've worked with red heart fur before. This color is mink, and I've used this actually in the Beauty and the Beast costumes. I've used this fur, and I love this fur so much. I also made a faux fur trapper hat with this fur in it before too. It is so soft and luscious and just super fluffy and puffy, so I like it. But I've never worked with Hygge fur before, and this is a new yarn from Red Heart Yarns. You can get it on yarnspirations.com. This is Hygge fur. Can you see that? Oh my gosh. It is so incredibly luscious. It is a little bit thinner, and so I'll use like an acrylic yarn, like a Super Saver, alongside of it so that I can see my stitches. And I'll do tutorials with this. I'm going to definitely be using this. It is so luxurious, this yarn. When I touched it, I was in heaven. Like, I literally went to heaven. I was like, oh my gosh. And I even made Nasir feel it, and he just loved it so much too. He was all smiles. So I got these two colors for the costumes, for our Halloween costumes. So I'm really excited for that. And I probably will also use this regular fur yarn as well. So those are for our Halloween costumes, which I'm gonna get started on mine and Nate's costumes pretty soon. I have to finish a little bit of Nasir's costume, but that's gonna be pretty quick. And then I ordered a little bit of the new heat wave yarn. This yarn is heat generating yarn. I ordered two colors, and I plan on making a winter shawl with this heat generating yarn. This is so incredible. It it makes it 12 degrees warmer when you're wearing a piece that is made with this yarn. So I'm excited to try it out. It feels really soft, and it is interesting that the fibers create that heat generating part of it. I love it. So it says sunlight activated even on cloudy days. So is it solar? This is like the future of yarn, everybody. This is amazing. So I'm going to be making probably like a winter type shawl using both of these colors in this heat wave yarn. So I'm really excited to do that. I have so many fun projects in the works, and I'm just so glad to be back to work and like working full time. So this is great. And I just love crocheting and sharing all my projects with everybody here. You guys are awesome. So I just wanted to share my yarn haul with everybody, and also share my new project, this video tutorial for this scarf. It's called the Uptown Scarf, and this one will be this diamondy type of scarf. This is going to be posted on the blog hopefully by this weekend. I'm really hoping to have it written up on the blog. And I'll actually have the written pattern released, and then I'll do the video tutorial release probably the next day. So stay tuned for that. I'll share links obviously on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, on the website, all the places, so you'll see it. And then just one more thing I wanted to share with you, but I will be right back, so hang on. All right. I wanted to introduce and see how big my baby boy is. Look at it. He is 3 months now. Say hi, Nasir. He's a 3-month-old baby. I swear, where has the time flown, really? He is now lifting his head. You can see he's really trying to concentrate on lifting his head. He's so strong. And he's laughing and smiling, and he's so curious and looking at everything. Are you looking up at the light? Yes. Look at everybody on the TV, on the camera. He's like, ooh, the light is beautiful. Yes, so he's roly-poly and just getting super big and adorable. So I just wanted to give a little update on Nasir. He is doing really well, and I love him so much. I'm so obsessed. So we are enjoying seeing him grow and everything, but I can't believe he's already 3 months old. And I get it a lot that he looks just like Nate, which I have to agree. He looks like Nate, very much so. So we just wanted to say hi to everybody today, share what's on your hook with us, and let us know how you are doing this week. And also leave me a comment on what your plans are this weekend. I think we're gonna go and see some family, so I'm really excited because everybody misses Nasir and they want to hold him and get some Nas snuggles. So that is our plan. So I hope you all have a great rest of your week, and until next Wednesday, happy hooking. You are so cute.